Hello! So today will be the start of my channel with my first video in series, where I'll be developing a Sword Battleground game where you use different moves and weapons from different franchises to fight other players. The franchises can be anime like Berserk Guts, you got video games like Devil May Cry, Virgil/Dante, or it could be a cartoon like Samurai Jack. And I thought it would be a great, exciting, beautiful start to work on the basic style that isn't a direct reference to any anime, show, or cartoon at all. Aww. Yeah, I know it's a little boring, but it'll be a good intro for when you first play the game and getting the general combat made first before I start getting a little zany with the movesets. So if you do enjoy the video and you're looking forward to seeing the future creations that I do on this channel, please make sure you like, sub, and hit the bell. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Right, so to start, we have a few things already made regarding animations. You have the M1, the idle, and movement animations.
Oh my god! What is that?
They are free models, but they'll get changed down the line, so just remember that. Starting off with the first issue I came across, which was the attack order. I initially made the animations on the server, but I was getting a little bit of lag, so I decided, why don't I make them on a local script? The only issue with that was now the animations came out improperly. So I had to figure out a way around that, and then I could finally begin making the hitboxes for the attack. First thing I'll be tackling is the hitboxes, because currently the attacks play the animations, they just don't give a hitbox for them. Bruh. Once the hitboxes were made, I went through each animation and added a keyframe, which is a point in an animation where I wanted it to start actually making the hitbox. Here's the finished product along with some sound effects to go with the slash. It's good for now, but it will definitely get touch-ups in the future. Next, I went into making the moveset, and I actually have a bit of moveset experience, so it wasn't too difficult to accomplish this at all. However, I am terrible with coming up with unique move names.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
So I'm just going to be describing what the move does. The first move is going to just be a forward slash where the player travels a little bit forward, of course, and creates a hitbox as they slash forward. And the second move is a move where the player leaps into the air. They can control where they land, and then they stab their sword into the ground, knocking back anyone who's nearby. The third attack is a 360 spin where the player takes a sword and spins it around. And our final attack is kind of like a projectile where energy is drawn to the sword and then the player slashes forward, sending forward a projectile. In this video, I only really covered the first and third move. However, the remaining moves will be made in another video. And so I began working on the moveset. I actually started making the second move on accident because I have the memory of a grandpa, but I did start making progress to the first move, and there were some errors, but it did end up turning out smoothly. So smoothly, in fact, that when recording, I said, this attack will probably be one of the easiest ones to implement, and I could definitely get this done by the end of the day. I, in fact, did not get the move done by the end of the day. I was able to get the hitbox done for the most part. When you teleported, it got your starting position and your end position, and that would be the size of the hitbox. However, I spent a lot of hours looking through forums, Discord servers, anything, YouTube videos, just something where I could figure out how could I raycast the box, how could I raycast the hitbox. And I did experiment with other methods. However, I just really wanted this raycast box. That's just how I get with programming sometimes. I come up with a concept and I just get hyper fixated on accomplishing it. And so I tested and tinkered with various concepts using raycasts. Yeah, some more successful than others. But after enough experimentation and failure, I finally got the move to work. Or so I thought. And the M1 still work. Sort of.
Oh.
After some more fiddling with my code to figure out where the hell and why the hell my M1s break, I finally got the move to work and my M1s to work at the same time. The best part about it is when attacking, the M1s work how I want them to work.
That is not correct.
Yeah, the M1s were a bit scuffed, but it's easily fixed by just updating the animations, so I went ahead and did that. Once the M1s were polished, I decided it was now time to move on to the next move. I began animating it, which honestly wasn't too difficult, and I was pretty happy with the outcome overall. And after that was completed, I began scripting the move. Okay, think it should work. Oops, think it should work now if I press Y. Fuck off. And after patching the bugs, I finally had a finished move. Okay, and this is everything I've created in this video. So you have the M1s. You have the dash attack. I think I'll use it right here. Can hit multiple targets. Then you have the sword spin. A little bit delayed on the knockback, but it works for this video. And that is it for this video. In the next video, I'm probably going to add the next two moves and alongside touching up the moves I made in this video. If you did enjoy and you want to see the next parts of the series, make sure you like, sub, and hit that bell. And also, comment down below what styles you would like to see in the game. Would you like to see a Zoro style, a Samurai Jack, a Musashi? Please specify the series as well. But yeah, without any further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.